Omukoro ogwo kuyonja orurembo rwa Fort Portal gwatandikira aha Rubarya Road obwo abasirikare barikuyora ebisasiro byona ebyaba biri omu tawuni egi. Gwayebembera omuduumizi wa Mountain Division hamwe n'ebikwekweto bya Operation Shujaa Major General Richard Otto.
Let me start by thanking the people of the Greater Rwenzori for their contribution towards the liberation of Uganda. And I thank you so much for that. This was during the NRA struggle and the current UPDF.
Okuyonja oku kwayetabwa amabebembezo okuruga omu Fort Portal nk'omuhezi wa Meya Betty Mujungu, omujakyerwa mukuru w'engabo orurembo rwa Fort Portal hamwe n'abandi bingi.
This further shows the UPDF, paints the UPDF as the People's Army, and it also shows the relationship, the strong relationship between the army and the people. We all know that our army is subordinate to civilian law, and when we come together to do such activities, it directly paints to that.
We did that operation, and we are doing this to ensure that the region is peaceful. So it is also part of the sacrifice.
Stanley Bayore ori omushirwa mukuru w'yango mu rurembo oru yakoresa omugisha gwo kushaba abatura b'orurembo oru okureba ngu baguma bari bayonja omu ihanga ryona.
That we must be clean, and Toro is one of the cleanest cities. It's not the first cleanest city in Uganda. It is the cleanest actually. So we are just trying to maintain the status quo. We call upon the public also to maintain this cleanness that we are doing today. We should keep it forever and ever, so that it can be a model city for the whole of Africa, for the whole of these cities in Uganda.
Twagaruka hano mu rurembo Mbarara amahiga UPDF agenkambi ya kabiri y'amakenke gayonje tawuni yoruti nk'umuringo guma gukoreka ingwatanisa no kugaruza abatura. Okuyonja oku bakora barukwetegura ekiro kya taresita ekirabeho ahabera omukaga by'okwezi oku.
Abebembezi ba Mbarara South batweyungaho kandi twageraho n'abandi bantu ababulijo kandi tugenda no misho no gumiza muno tugera ki
wahiko mu tawuni egi no basa kuteeka ngo ne tawuni y'Enyonjo konka wacamo mu bukubo norebera kimwengo abayo babire barya bo kwitwa Kasasuro abacungurwa ba UPDF ya Hayonja.
Nizi mantine buko mona bugarukiro ahabwa abasirikare abaturetera ki obuyonjo kubatwaturukubi
ngwiha Kasasuro misho kigiteka motoka ngo kigare yahiwaje hatumwe dukore kiko kabaguma mbatoretera abantu nkaba ninga bakatoretera ababyo buyonjo itwe no butwakwatara mutwine shonga tukateka motoka
bakakimanyire ngo ejo Kasasuro kuba kugikwata kubine basa no kurugamo burwire iki obuvunanzibwa abantu baburijo nangu tubo muri tubonka nebichweke binde byambara itugenzere ntorambura abantu tubakagizire vunanzibwa okumanya ngo bine kureberera Kasasuro yabo.
Umugamirizo w'amahiga UPDF wa Second Division Major Chencho Tabaro yagamba abenshi bashazirimo kuyonje tawuni egi
n'akamanyiso kamwe ko kugarurira abantu ababurijo abo kuba relationship yitwine n'umuntu mwana yinchi ninunji munonga kandi banayinchi abani batuyamba mu bintu byinje bitukwa ntugera ki nitukora kandi nitwe nchituyamba kweta banayinchi tukabamo burayizinga hati kutukuba tine hentaro ntuzomukurakurana kwihanga so banayinchi abantu bantu nabo bazo mu bintu biri kubasa okuyamba kurakurana n'ihanga
bashazaremo kuyonja ruti hamwe n'ekikona abo kuba kubagire kucondoza bashanga emyanya egyo ebyemirofa munonga
omwe Kasasuro no n'ekintu kiri kuzagumizamo kwakanisha abantu aba emotoka zitwatireho zaguma zabashikira nyabura mushashure shiringi kumezo Kasasuro rw'umurembo.
Ekireki necyo kuza no kuyijuka bazahuza bihangeri ababiri binembunda 2007 obwo bebembirwe President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni abatandikireho rutaro mu Kabamba kandi emikoro y'omwaka ogwo y'omurundi gwa 4 neija kukorerwa mu Kasasaka kuto cyotera mu Masaka empango. Nda Aidan Bataringaya hamwe na Jonan Tusingwire.